Welcome back. You're watching Power Lunch on NDTV Profit. What are the Indian stock markets to move up as well? But we are moving away from metals and the markets for a bit on to another result as well as a corporate announcement. GV Kumar, MD and CEO of Megasoft, joins us from our Chennai studio. Mr. Kumar, thanks so very much for joining us on NDTV Profit. Numbers also very decent and a great contract coming through. Give us some more details.
Thank you. Well, you know, it's a very nice moment for us all in the company. We closed our largest deal in our history for supplying our new voice platform to a US-based provider. Numbers, as you noticed, over the last 1 year, our telecom business has been growing in an accelerated fashion. And as we are moving towards more and more larger providers and as customers and also to mature markets, so the deal sizes as well as average realizations and profitability per deal is also going up. And that's how the numbers have jumped quite significantly. Year on year, telecom has grown in excess of, I think, about 112, 113% top line. And so the company's profits have also doubled compared to last year first quarter. Right. On a Q&Q basis, compared to October to December, now we have registered a 30 plus, I think about 32% increase in profit. So overall, Kumar, I think we are on a big growth. Right, strong growth, and as you said, outlook is very positive. Can you run us through specifics, margins, what are they looking like? And from the point of view at your company, what really entails your costs in the current format? Well, currently in telecom, for example, is where we have a net profit levels of excess of 45%, and that's what, because that is showing an accelerated revenue growth, the net margins and net profit of the companies are also growing quarter on quarter. So if you look at last year, we did 20 crores on 115, and this year we've done the profits have jumped, profitability has jumped to 21%. And also the bigger story now is that the launch of voice platform and the instant success of it pushes us into a higher plane. And obviously that means larger deal size as well as much more profitable opportunities. The challenge remains is, you know, as a company, right, if we are moving to another plane, we need to scale up in our back office operations in terms of overall organization's scale. But that's probably a happy problem to have at the moment.
Right. Very quickly, Mr. Kumar, obviously one way to scale up, as you rightly are saying, is through acquisitions. We understand you're very close to acquiring some companies in the US as well as looking very keenly at India as well. Mm-hmm. Yes, the US acquisition is something that we've been looking at for the last 6 months. We are shortlisted 2 companies. We are in good stages. Hopefully within the next 3 months, we should be able to close one of them and announce it. That will give us a very strong footprint as well as a strong team in the US in the telecom area. And the local acquisition, well, primarily acquisition could be one option. That's what we are right now mulling, but it basically to scale up our backend, because we are now really getting a lot of inquiries for this new voice platform. We've taken a global leadership in launching this new technology. Globally, we are one of the first, probably the first. So in order to capitalize very quickly, we may have to scale up much faster than an organic scale up is just a thought. Right, and within 6 months, we expect your number of employees from 400, 800,000. Is that what the target is? Yes, we are currently around 550. We need to hit about 900. Right, 900 in 6 months. Mr. Kumar, thanks so very much for joining us. The stock's up 13%. We need to take a break. When we come back, the quick preview to the 230 factor.
Room 1118 at this leading hotel of Mumbai is occupied by the man